Hello students, today we will continue with the exercise 4.3. In this exercise again we have to construct the quadrilateral, but this time you can see that is slightly changed than what we have done in the previous two exercises. As you can see in the first question, we have to construct the quadrilateral MORE where the length of the two sides are given and the rest angles are given. So this is quite interesting. Remember, there are more chances that this kind of questions will come into the examination compared to the exercise 4.2 and 1. So let us begin with this question number 1. Now how to construct the angle? Students, the angle can be constructed using the protractor also, and we can construct the angle using a rounder also. So let us see that how we can construct the angles. Now the first, again the basic part is from where we have to start the construction. So you can see that when you construct the rough diagram, so we should start with the side where the angles are given. हम वो साइड बनाएंगे सबसे पहले जिसके बेस एंगल्स दिए हैं. If I construct MO first, so we should require angle M and angle O. अगर मैं यहाँ पे OR construct करूँगा, so the line segment OR and angle O and angle R both are given. So that also fine. We can start with any of the line segment, but remember हम वो line segment को base बनाएंगे जिसके angles हमें दिए हुए हो. This is the basic and very important. So let's first construct the line segment OM, that is of 6 centimeter. So OM is of 6 centimeter. So let us write it down, MO. Now we have to construct 60 degree at point O. So this 60 degree we should construct with the help of the rounder. Now understand this, all the angles very important to construct with the rounder. So to construct this any angle with the help of the rounder, there are few which you are learning in standard 8 and 9. Then you learn further in the higher classes. So to construct 60 degree, this is the radius. It is any arbitrary radius. मतलब कोई भी measure का radius मैंने ले लिया. From point M, we should construct an arc. हम एक arc बनाएंगे from point M. You can draw the semicircle also, but we know the 60 degree is an acute angle, so no need to go for the semicircle. Now we should keep the same radius. Now from this point, we used to call this 0 degree. We should draw the another arc which intersect the previous arc. Remember, when the ray is constructed passing from point M and this intersecting points, this angle is 60 degree. Let us measure it whether we obtain the correct or wrong. This is the line segment, and we can see this is the 60 degree which we obtain. So 60 we obtain. Now let us learn that how to construct O, that is 105. So for 105 degree, which are the angles we require to construct? 105 हम कैसे करेंगे? So please remember here and understand this very clearly. Again we should take any arbitrary radius. As 105 is an obtuse angle, so we should construct this first arc. It could be a semicircle or larger than the previous. Then this is the 0 degree. Remember, now we won't change this length of the radius as we have taken the initial. This is 60 degree. From 60, this is one more arc. So this is, if I'll draw a ray, it becomes 60, and if I'll draw a ray, it is 120. So let us first construct the 90 to obtain 105. तो मैंने 120 से एक आर्क बनाया. With the same radius from 60 degree I'll draw another arc. So you can see this both are intersecting. So this become a right angle. Remember students, this is not the required angle. So we should draw the dotted line here. There are three dot we should do it. One at the intersecting point, one at this main arc intersecting, and third at the center from where we constructed. We have to construct 105 degree. So now this is called 120 degree. हमने यहाँ से एक arc बनाया between 90 and 120. Keep the same radius, and from this 90 degree we should draw another arc. You can see this both are intersecting. The intersecting point is 105 degree. So let us draw a ray here. 105 कैसे बना दोबारा? One arc we construct from 120 and one we construct from 90 degree. So the intersecting is 105. तो ये एंगल हो गया 105 degree. Now let's obtain the point R. The distance between, or we can say the length of OR, that is 4.5 centimeter. So let's take the length of 4.5 centimeter, and from point O we should draw the arc. So this intersecting point is point R. Now we have to draw another 105 degree, but this time at this point. हमें यहाँ पे 105 degree करना है. So remember, this should be considered the 0. So your 105 should be go like this. So let us do this 105, the same pattern which we have done the previous one. It's again an arbitrary radius. From point R we should draw an arc. This again could be of any radius. From this point, this is 60 degree, and from 60 degree one more arc, that is 120. From 60 एक arc ऊपर बनाएंगे. From 60 we should draw 120 एक arc बनाएंगे. So 60 and 120 they are intersecting, and this must be 90 degree. हमें 90 degree नहीं लाना है, but we should draw the dotted line. This three dotted should be drawn here. Now to obtain 105, one arc should be drawn from 120 and one arc should be drawn from 90 degree. So we can see that this 120 and 90, they both are intersecting somewhere here. So let us draw this angle, or we can see the ray. So this ray is forming the angle 105 degree at point R, as it is 4.5 centimeter. Let us see this measurement. First, let us measure whether it is 105 or not. So we can see that this is the measurement 105 degree. This can be also 105 degree, that we can see here. So now this both rays, that is this 105 degree and this 60 degree of which we construct here, they both are intersecting at this point, and let us give this point as point E. So you can see that this is the required MORE quadrilateral we obtain. You can see students, it is very important construction. Thank you.